Hi guys, today we are not playing Tokaboka. Today we are going to play Roblox, and it is Saturday, February 21st, as you can see, so I do not have school today. Yay. And it's getting near this summer and near my birthday. So I will give you guys an update on here instead of on TikTok, because I used to do it on TikTok, but this time I'm going to update y'all, and I'm just going to throw pictures of it. So y'all can see what I've been playing. This was me and my friend did FNAF 2 Multiverse RP. I love this game. Lisa Wape. Dress to Impress time, because we love Dress to Impress, but I'm going to do a free play stuff, because I am going to make one of my OCs that y'all have never seen, because I'm afraid. You know what? How about we just... I gotta do a good... Bro, what? So the thing is loading. That is great. Clap your hands together. But I don't think this is giving brat. It is giving spoiled brat. Not the brat that we know from Dress to Impress. Oh my god. Master servers can do this way better. Because I've been watching people play master servers and stuff. I'm not trying to like just vote them on one server, but it's that bad. I guess not. I don't even have like the brat things, but yeah. But I think there is a pattern that you could use. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I give you 2 because it's like, okay, never mind. If they do like post 28, I always mark them down a star or just straight to the 1 star. So yeah. I'm sick. Alright. Look at gorgeous. That is not gorgeous. What is this? I can't even see her legs. Oh my god, look at the swans. I just noticed that. They're so cute. What is this? What in the hybrid? It's giving hybrid gotcha 2018 actually. It's the I'm half wolf, half human, half angel, half something. I don't know, man. That's what it's giving, bro. Oh my god, this is so cute. But it isn't really a brat, but I could see where it could be a brat. So we're gonna give it 2 stars because it's not really, but it's the best outfit I've seen so far. 3 stars, good job. She glides off the stage. Another hybrid. 2. Because I could see the brat in this, but it's also... I could see the brat in the other ones, but they were that bad. Hold on, guys. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me better, but I was gonna give this girl 4 stars, and then I gave 1 because she kept doing that thing. The winners are... not deserved. I hate these outfits, not gonna lie. Okay, 16, 14, 12. Alright, we gotta do some very bad things today. But anyways, and yes, I am still Chuck E. Cheese. I need to change it to Toy Bonnie. I want to do Toy Bonnie. But oh well. But look at this, I did. Anyways, so my favorite ones. I'm just gonna fly away. Yay. So that's like one of the only pose packs I have bought. But let's see. Oh my god, I don't have money. Oh wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Is this money? Wait. I really did I buy? Ah! Yay! I'm so happy. Under the sea. What should we do for under the sea, guys? I think I'll just do like, I don't want to do a mermaid, but I think I'm gonna do a jellyfish. Blue. Bluish color. You know what? This is light blue. I can do custom makeup, but I never have time for custom makeup because I spend like 20 billion hours trying to do custom makeup. I don't know what to do. I guess I could do this. Oh, wait, I need jellyfish. Bro, what is that? Oh my gosh, I'm... Ooh, jellyfish? So we're gonna do like this for the hair, I guess. And then, I feel like the top, we could do this. Okay, hold on, wait, I need to recolor that. And maybe I need to, like, move it down. Perfect, yes. And then, yeah. Jellyfish time. I'll go to VIP and get the... I guess this is a jellyfish shirt. I really do like this skirt. I've heard of people not liking it. Oh well. Ooh, this one would be good. Just a lot of blues. Okay, that's all I really want is a lot of blue. Where my jelly belly girl? Wait, could I do the trail on this? Wait, could I just do the... Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it this dark. Wait, no, hold on, wait. Let me just make this glittery, maybe? Or so? I don't understand any of these, but... I guess I could do this. Oh well. Oh, there it goes. Alright, we're gonna go to my dressing room. Oh my gosh, yes. This would be perfect. I'm a jelly belly girl. Jelly belly girl. Jelly world. Okay, I just want... Wait, is it just a veil? Oh my gosh, I get it. No, I don't want those. I was gonna try them on, but they're not good at all. Okay, we're gonna do item adjustment time. Position to the side. Make it come out more. Out. And make it small. Yes. Okay, hold on, wait. That's kind of funky looking. Funky. I did not say the other word. Trust me, okay? More onto my face. Make it go up. And make it go up. Perfect. I look so good. I need shoes. Do we have any good shoes in here that I could use? Wait, should I do some leg warmers? I think I'm gonna use that and shoot them up with the Glenda shoe now. Wait, what should I use? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do. I guess I could do rain boots. No, that's goofy looking. Drop. I'll just get some other shoes and let me just color this real quick. We need shoes now. We need shoes. Ooh, wait, should I use those? Wait, no, these. I got heels now. And I don't need to do any other thing because ain't nobody honestly done. What else? I think I'm eating this right now. But y'all can comment down below if I looked good or I just look like a funky monkey. I think I just saw a mermaid. Let's go, mermaid baddies. Okay, I need something on my arms. Wait, should I use this? No. I think if we go over here. Where's that? Dang. That's all I want up there. Where is it? Oh my god, this new placement is getting me off. There we go. Should we do patterns? No. Put some glitter on it. No. I'm gonna do silky or glitter. Ooh, this. And this will be glitter. You can barely see it. We're gonna light it up. Make it. Rainbow glitter. Oh my god, that would make so cute. Oh my god, I need to do that to the show. Please, please tell me I have time. No. There we go. There. It's good up there, but it's not. Okay, I think I'm gonna be good with the jellyfish. I'm gonna go with these jellyfish. I'm gonna put it in the chat. Jellyfish. But what's even the point? Jellyfish. What is this? What is this creature? 1 star. What the heck? I'm scared. That is terrifying. I'm scared, bruh. Bye. Please tell me I got a better one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. 3. Because of the nails. The nails are a little much. I didn't even do my nails. Look, I have gloves on, so nobody gonna see my nails. This is Loki, so adorable. Bye, girl. Oh, another mermaid. These are so good. You ate that, girl. You ate it up. And it's all green. Oh, I love it. I should have done something with like a hat, but oh well. I didn't have anything really. Oh well. 1 star. Are you trolling or were you AFK? I can't tell. Because she was in the hair thing. What in the heck? No! No! Under the sea! No! The theme is under the sea! Zoe's not under the sea! What is this? Under the sea, not singers! Dive in the ocean, become a scuba diver, or even a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a jellyfish. Oh, what in the Ballora? It's 1 word. 1 star because this isn't. Wait, what the heck? Are you the waves? 2 stars because I think you're the waves. And it's giving Ballora, and I like Ballora. Anyways, bye. The lag. It's me. Oh my god, look at me. I'm so cute. Jellyfish. Oh, time to swim away. Wee. Toss. Apparently, I did not eat. First place is not deserved, to be honest. Who the heck did that? Everybody got like 8. Oh my god, this server is so bad. I think we're teleporting to free play server. If they want. Wait, who the heck his name is Free? So I think today. Oh, holy lag. Oh my god. So today we're gonna do one of my characters, or we're gonna make me, I guess, which is one of my OCs. She has flipping noodle hair, by the way. And also here in my save one, I only have this one. Oh no, wait, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys my things. What is that? That scares me. So if we go to my closet, I have this one as one of my as my Danny's World OC. She is a cherry blossom tree, but this is human form. And I low-key ate that outfit, bro. And then we have a dough. I ate this outfit, bro. Cupid. I wore this on the Valentine's Day quest, and I look like Cupid's twin sister. And here's Bingo. I got Bingo. Elizabeth Afton. What the heck is I going up on the top? Oh well. She's so cute to me. And I got a DTI doll, and this is the inspired doll. I don't know why it's moving, but it will. And then we have Galinda. Because who else didn't just do Galinda? Blue from Rising Red, from The Descendants, Rise of Red. I don't think that's her name, but who cares? And then we have this doll I made. I made a doll, and it's concerning. It's meant to be scary. And to me, it is not scary at all. Clown. We have this adorable clown. You can see what I made during the Halloween update. This cozy one that has no shirt because I probably didn't have it no more. The white swan. Because I did a white swan. Then witch thing. Bro, speak English. I can't even speak English. Charlie. Who the heck is Charlie? But she is so cute. I also did this siren outfit. Then I did this mermaid outfit. And then I did this fairy outfit. I did this beach day one during... You can see what I did during the summer update now. Pirate. I literally just got all this stuff. And here is my pirate. Finnick PJs. She's one of my OCs too. Finnick beach outfit. She's okay, I'm not gonna do that one. Because I don't know why, but I think I'm just gonna like, what was that? Who cares? Anyways, let's get started. So I think I'm gonna do a random outfit. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can save custom makeup. Can I save custom makeup? Wait, I think I can. But we are going to do sorry, I have a cough. A really, really bad cough. I think what we're gonna do is just a cute. I'm gonna do these eyes. I'm trying to make me like grayish. Don't know why I have like grayish, bluish eyes. I don't know what to do for that. Okay, we're making me. I actually low-key have blonde eyebrows. Not even like I have a blonde eyebrows. My lips are not this voluptuous. And they're gonna give me a smile. Oh, these lip colors are so bad. Give me a good lips. Please. There we go. Fixed it. I don't know about the highlight. I'm just gonna do it. Oh, he's got freckles because I am covered. My face is covered in freckles. This will probably not be a good one because I don't ever wear blush. I don't even wear makeup, but I'm still gonna give blush. Skin, freckles on freckles on freckles on freckles. I haven't made too many freckles because that's all I have on my face. It's just freckles on freckles on freckles. Freckles. Okay, well now we need my blonde hair. I have very wavy blonde hair. What in veins? Okay, I think I'm just gonna do curly then because I guess it could be curly. It could be curly. I really do like this hair for my hair, but it is not the best representation. I do have really long hair, but yeah. What is this feeling? So sudden, new, at a moment, I laid as in you. So I'm just gonna do the fit I was wearing. So I have this like, you know what? I have this really cute shirt on. It has like a sunflower and a butterfly on. In the back is a big sunflower. Because, yeah. I look stupid. But I think we're just going to do something. I don't know what to do. Because there's like nothing that I would wear. Why did that sound like that? I don't even wear dresses that much. Only wear them on special occasions. Hold on, my brain just unloaded for a second. I was staring at it like, wait, should I put that on? Should I? Would I? Alright, hold on guys. I'm gonna buy more things. I wanna do like packs. Oh my god. Rocks. What the heck? Elegant walk. I don't want that at all. What is this? Oh, I love that one. That was so cute. Wait, attitude and diva walk. What's the difference? Hold on, I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I think I'm just gonna do this one, maybe. Or should I do this one? Wait. I don't even want any of these anymore. It won't effects. I don't really like the one. I don't know what to do with these anymore, bro. These are so weird. Anyways, because I tried. I'm gonna like get. Should I do one of these shirts? Crop top. Oh my god, I would love crop tops. I actually wear crop tops in real life. Not even gonna lie. Wait, can I crop this one? I want to see what top I can crop. It's already a crop top by itself. I don't really like to wear pink, so I'm just gonna make this white. And I'm not even allowed to wear a white thing either. When I put this on, will it just click through it? Then I don't want that. What the heck? I don't even think what I'm doing anymore. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna make it comfy looking. You guys, I am very comfy right now. And I'm wearing shorts and t-shirt. Because right now it is becoming spring, even though the groundhog said it is 6 more weeks of winter. What is this? Oh, it's that. I'm gonna make it like that so I can look better. Should I have a skirt on? What the heck? Okay, this is becoming a mess. Alright. Scratch all of that because I'm just gonna do whatever I flipping want because I don't like doing me because I don't know what flipping do. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh wait, just a reminder. I haven't got. Where is it? Login. And then I need to get this. No, there was something. Oh well. And I have already done the Valentine's Day quest, but I don't think I finished it. I haven't done chapter 2. I completed chapter 1. Rub your hands together for me. Wait, this is so cute. Not even gonna lie. I'm just gonna do that. So cute. Bro, let me jump up. No, there's a jump up button, but like, I don't use it. Okay, I got teal on. Go back. I can probably make this yellow. And then I guess I can do like, what's my third favorite color? It's like so yellow, and then I guess a pink. Because I don't know what else to use. I guess I'm gonna just put together a cute outfit. I'm gonna put together this cute outfit, and then I'm gonna show you guys at the end. Okay, wait. Alright guys, I'm about to show you the final look. Here it is. For some reason, I look like shine bright like a diamond, but who cares? Here I am, and yay, let's go save it. Yeah, alright guys, thanks so for watching. I'll see you next time in the next Book Slide. Or just Snoop or any games I choose to play. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye. Have a wonderful frog-filled day.